Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner on the More icon. Then just tap here to the settings and click to the Google Assistant section. After that just scroll all the way down to the general options. And then just to activate the Google Assistant feature, you should click here only once on the switcher, and then to confirm your actions by click to turn on. And that's it, the Google Assistant feature is turned on successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.